back with another video for Vlogmas Day 6. Today I'm going to be doing a video, a Christmas wish list. Now, I know in the last Christmas tag that I said I really don't wish like for certain gifts for myself. Usually it's for the house. But today I'm going to be doing a Christmas wish list for things that I would like to have if someone was going to get me, you know, a Christmas gift. Okay, so first up, what I have been researching and seeing that I think that I would love to have is an espresso. And I saw this on Target online.com, and it was the Nespresso Virtual Plus Coffee Espresso Machine. It comes in black matte, and I think it comes in like a silver or white color. I probably would prefer it in the black color, but I did see that it was on sale for $99 at Target. So this machine makes espressos, and I think you just do like regular coffee. It's just not an espresso machine. Up on my wish list would be a robotic floor cleaner or whatever you call them. I did see, I never really heard of this brand until my husband mentioned it or told me about it, but it's called Oofy. And he saw it on Amazon, but he was looking for security cameras. But when I looked up the brand name, I saw a lot of other products that they carry, and this is one of them, and I so need this. Now I know my husband is probably gonna watch this video. If he does, he's gonna say I don't need this because we have other vacuums. I have like 2 or 3 other vacuums. You know how we are. We always can find a use for these things, but this I definitely need, because when you have hardwood floors and things like that, this machine's gonna come in handy because you can program it to just set and clean whenever. And I find myself having to clean the hardwood floors every day. If I have this machine, it's already going to be set to just go and pick up through the day. I have a toddler. It gets messy all day long, so this would be a great gift. Next up on my wish list will be item number 3 is I need a vanity chair. Like last year, my husband bought all the pieces to make me a vanity, and he made that for me, but I need a chair to go. So this right here will be the perfect chair. I either want to go with this clear chair right here that I saw on Amazon, or I also am into navy blues, royal blue, and I really love this chair. I don't know if it's too big for my vanity, but I really like this chair, and I saw this on Target. It's a Project 62, I believe. It's made by Project 62, and it is on the pricey side though. As you can see, it's on sale for $247, but it is regularly like $329. But I don't necessarily have to get this one, but I probably will go with the clear, but I also like the royal blue. Please comment down below which chair you like the most. It's just something about that royal blue though. Next up is, I've always wanted one of these because people who know me personally know I love to do crafts, and I would love to have one of these machines. I don't know why I've never thought of purchasing one. But it's the Circuit Explorer Air 2 machine. I could do so much with this. I've watched.
Okay, this machine is called a Cricut. I don't know what I just
several
called it.
YouTube videos. Basically, I just need one of these in my life. Next up would be, a while ago my husband got me the Clarisonic face cleaner, and I need new head brushes for those. So I went on Sephora, and they have these head brushes, and they were retailing for $44, and that will make a great gift too because I need new ones. I also need new makeup brushes. I recently just realized that my face, as you can see, my face is broke out right now a little bit. I don't know. I'm just going through this whole face breakout. I gotta figure out what's causing it. But I do need to get new makeup brushes because I figured I do clean my makeup brushes regularly, but I was like, it could be my makeup brushes that are causing my face to break out. So I saw these on Sephora as well for $49. Kind of pricey, but not too expensive because, as you know, makeup brushes can be really expensive if you get, you know, a real good, nice set. Next up would be the Fitbit Versa 2. I really think I could benefit from this because I need to get my health and weight in control, and just eating healthy. So with this Fitbit, I would be able to track my heart rate. It even tracks your sleep score, and it has several other apps and different more. I'm thinking that it can track your blood pressure. I'm not sure. I need to read up a little bit more on it. And next up, I want another purse, or I would love to have another purse. But I would like to have a Michael Kors backpack purse. I have two other crossbody Michael Kors purse, and then I have a hand one that you just carry in your hand. But I could really use this backpack. And I saw this one in the brown with the tan letters with accented in red, which I think is really cute. And that is it, guys, for my wish list. Those are just some of the things that I would love to have, that I could benefit from. Some things more than other that I could benefit from. So please comment down below some of the things that you guys wish to get for Christmas. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video for Vlogmas Day 7.